Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss about how to make money from YouTube. It's when someone is engaged with YouTube, they want to think about how to income from YouTube. It's really required um, anyone for his survival. It's required money. So when YouTube help us to create a audience, to create so much viewer, and by you audience you can make money. So today we discuss about how to make money from YouTube. Firstly, you have to enable your channel to earn money. Okay, you have to enable your channel to earn money, because without enablement you cannot earn money. Enable means when you have a sign in YouTube, then it's required when you want to create a channel, then you have to enable your channel and take a name. Okay, this name is required for your work, or you which subject you wanted to share or with others. Okay, then get started. Okay, audience before income. The key ingredients for a profitable YouTube channel are loyal, engaged community, and a steady stream to great videos that are advertiser friendly. Okay, most creators find that before they can earn money with their channels, they first need to grow an audience and make consistent videos that viewers love to watch. That means that just not only for think about money, but you have to think about the audience, what they want to see, and you have to think about their need. Then you can easily find the viewer. Okay, then all YouTube creators can apply to join the YouTube partner program as long as it available in your country. Okay, so now YouTube have some new policy, and this policy is after you hit 4,000 watch hours, 4,000 watch hours in your previous 12 months and 1,000 subscriber, your activity will be reviewed against our policies. That means it stands that when you have watched 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscriber, then you will be a partner program of YouTube. Okay, if everything looks good, you will be able to join the YouTube partner program and being serving ads on your content. Okay, this threshold will help ensure to revenue only flows the creators who are playing by the rules. Okay, you have to maintain the rules of YouTube. When you enable it, you can find there the rules and regulation. Okay, see it in action. Let's talk about the money. Whether your goal is to earn back some of what you spend making your videos to become a sustainable business, YouTube platform lets you make money with successful videos. Note, YouTube has specified advertiser friendly guidelines that your videos must adhere to the order to be eligible for ad. Okay, you must be eligible the ad, otherwise if you not to show, if you not to permission to provide ad, then you never earn money from here. Okay, your money is depends on ads. Getting your channel ready to earn. Okay, note, monetization is only available in certain countries, and copyright or community guideline violation can affect your eligibility to earn money. See in action. YouTube policies, countries guidelines can ending and keep your videos monetizable on YouTube. Okay, learn why it is key to the respect to community, create advertiser friendly content, and report violations. Video earn money with your channel. There are different ways to earn. You can earn money with your channel. Start with ads and then look into other ways you can make money. Ads, now you have to enable monetization and hopefully enable all formats to maximize revenue. Ad cans run your videos, keep in mind. Okay, YouTube contents your channel to playing advertise so you can focus on improving the ad system so they work better for the viewers and pay out of no more creators. Some types of content may not be suitable for the advertise for all audience. You can also earn money from YouTube Premium subscription. YouTube Premium member pay a recurring fee for special benefit like watching YouTube videos without ads. The amount you can earn from the YouTube Premium is calculated based on how much time members spend watching your content compared to other content. Okay. Other ways to making money on YouTube: if you are already making money with ads on your videos and have to establish audience, you could look into working with brands and ad agencies are always looking for the ways to promote their products and service. Brand can agree to work with creator when the target audience is their product is similar to creator channel audience. No need to be shy if you got few thousand subscribers. Take charge to prepare pitch of brand and advertise. Think of it like a collab. Learn more. Using merch cards on annotation on your videos to help your fans and find your stuff. Crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is when a community of fans contribute money in your project. You can raise funds to help support your channel by launching an external crowdfunding campaign. Okay. Events. Build an even stronger community by going to see them. Schedule live appearances in place where your audience are most vibrant and engaged. In addition to meeting on your fans in person, you will likely gain opportunity to sell merchandise and tickets to your event. Use interactive cards to funnel viewers to your merchandise page. Crowdfunding sites you now have two more ways to potentially earn money in your videos, your community and advertiser or brand. Think about where you are in your YouTube journey and create blueprint for earning money that best fits you and your audience. You will find a solution that works best for you and your community with a little trial and error. Note, all of these revenue streams are available in your countries. If you're being paid or compensated to create content, make sure you understand the disclosure requirement. Okay. Write down how much time you want to spend with the following activities like writing the script, your videos, shooting your videos, editing your videos, tracking your channel to make it rock. Okay. Then create a budget. Write down how much you want to spend to it total and then break down the how much you want to spend for each item in your message. Okay. So that's for today. Thanks for watching this video. Okay, bye bye. See you tomorrow in your success.